Hello guys, welcome to Web World Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about drill downs in Kibana. So first, let's understand what is drill downs. So basically, there are different sorts of visualization which we create under Kibana. We have seen that in earlier videos. So basically, what we are going to do here is like when you create a visualization, suppose we are using a data table, you create different sorts of columns inside it. There are situations where you would like to get in details about those columns, and that can be searched inside a discover tab. So there has to be a way directly where you make that particular column as clickable, and when the user is clicking on it, he is transferred into a new tab or in the same tab to the discover view. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's start looking into this inside Kibana. So this is our Kibana console. You can see I have opened it on localhost 5601. This is our home page. Let's go to visualize. We are going to create our first visualization here. Create. Just select data table. As we discussed earlier, these are the different sorts of project which is by default provided in Kibana. You can use it to understand and play with it. So I'm using again the flight logs. So I'm selecting this. You can see on the right side 90 days of data is there, and on this part where the data what data needs to be used for this visualization is added here. So inside metric, I'm just aggregation is on count level. I'm creating split rows. So here I'm asking it to split it based on certain terms. Now what is that term? That will be given when you select term. A second field will come up on the screen where you can just select based on which term you want to separate it out. So we are going to separate it out based on origin, city name. Okay, now size I would like to take instead of 5, let's make it 10. So 10 rows will come now. So you can see now 10 rows are there based on, and their respective counts are present here. Now, why do we need drill down? You'll get to know at this point of time. So you can see here on the left side we have Rome. Now this is the total count of the flights which has started from this particular place during this last 90 days based on our sample data. We want to know more details about this. So how we can do that? So in order to do that, basically we have to go to discover tab. So let's open Kibana here again, localhost 5601. Now I'm going to go to discover tab. Let's go to discover, select 90 days of data. The project which we are going to use is flights. Now here let's filter out based on origin, city name equals to Rome. Now this data which you are getting currently is all these logs are associated to origin city name as Rome. Now here you get a lot of more information that what was the destination city, what was the destination lat long, and a lot of other data. Now consider the situation when you are sharing this visualization to your teammates or manager or anywhere. So is it necessary that they should also understand and the query, the way the Elastic is being queried? No, it's not the case all the time. So in order to do so, what we are going to do, we are going to create this names, this particular column, origin city name as clickable, so that when the user is clicking on it, it will directly go and open this particular tab with this query already searched. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, let's copy this URL. So in order to do so, let's open another tab, localhost. Let's go to stack management, index patterns. Now select the respective pattern. So for me, it was Kibana sample data flights. I'll go inside it. Here I'll search that particular column to which I want to make it as clickable. So origin city name. So this is the column for me. Okay. edit this. Here you will get an option where you can see, okay, the format is default currently, but you have an option in the last to create a URL also. So you can go ahead and click on URL. When you select URL, you'll get different more options. That is, type is link, image, audio. So we are going to work on link. So let it be like that. Now next is the URL template. So URL template is something where we are going to fill our URL which we have already searched here. So this data is already filtered. So we need to take this one and add it here. Just what you need to do is origin city name. Just after this, remove everything and give double curly braces and state this as value. Here you need to mention that same value here. Just save it. Also, one thing which you should see here is like open in a new tab. So whenever that you that link, that city name will be clicked, it should open in a new tab rather than on the same view. So we'll let it be as it is. Save the field. Now this is successfully saved. Go to your first tab where you have created the visualization. Just reload it once. You can see the color has changed and it has become a link now. You can see in the lower section of the window, the links are getting created. Now let's click on it and see whether it works or not. Yes, it works perfectly fine. So you have this data already filtered and this is coming up on the same date range of 90 days. Let's check it with some other city, Tokyo. Now you have the data origin city name as Tokyo and it's already filtered out. So guys, this is how you can create and connect your visualization to the Discover tab where you can show more number of data but in a filtered manner. So hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.